Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Don't you love how technology is making our homes smarter, safer, and yes, even more stylish? Well, buckle up because we're diving into the world of smart doorbells today. Get ready to level up your home security and style. Check the description for all the links. First up, we have the WEMO Smart Video Doorbell by Belkin. As a tech apple of our eye, this doorbell is a godsend for Apple users. Feel exclusive, folks, because this doorbell is designed to work flawlessly with HomeKit and syncs with iCloud for automatic storage of captured video whenever motion sensors come into play. The WEMO Smart Video Doorbell isn't all about exclusivity, though. It's about coverage, too. An extra-wide 223-degree field of view ensures it captures everything in sight. And let's not forget the infrared night vision technology that's ready to work its magic after dusk. The camera flaunts a 1200x1600 resolution video with HDR support. And the best part? You won't need any extra apps as it works directly from the Home app. So the user experience is as smooth as butter. However, there is one hiccup. It doesn't offer two-way audio options. But hey, isn't it worth overlooking for all the Apple-friendly features it brings? Next on the list, we've got the Ring Video Doorbell 2nd General. A significant improvement from its predecessor. It's fully equipped for the modern home, and its affordability is the cherry on top. The Ring Video Doorbell has leveled up to a 1080p resolution, which means your visuals just got clearer. It also offers two-way audio with noise cancellation. No more straining to hear who's at the door. Worried about false alerts? The adjustable motion zones are here to monitor specific areas and put your worries to rest. Another nifty feature is the privacy zones, letting you exclude certain areas from being recorded. Now, the Ring Video Doorbell may not boast high-end qualities like a 2K resolution or object recognition, but with a price as appealing as its features, it's a tough one to beat. Just remember that you will need to subscribe to Ring's security subscription for cloud storage, with plans starting at just $3 per month. Now let's turn our attention to the Google Nest Doorbell. Google's Nest is a mix of utility and aesthetics, carrying practical features wrapped up in a contemporary, visually appealing design. It's one of the best designed wireless doorbells on the market, with a matte plastic chassis that's sure to blend well with your home decor. But it's not all about looks. The 1.3 megapixel security camera has a bag full of tricks, including HDR video, night vision, and detection for pets, people, vehicles, and motion. It also has quick responses options in case you can't answer the doorbell right away. For any extras, there's always the subscription service. But on its own, it's a pretty solid choice, offering free hours of video storage, which is quite rare in the world of smart doorbells. There's also a wired version of this Nest doorbell if you prefer, with continuous video recording, 2-second previews, and more. Either way, you're in for a treat. Next, we're putting the spotlight on the Ring Video Doorbell 4. Ring continues to impress with its upgrades, including an enhanced Wi-Fi receiver to ensure a strong, steady signal and a 4-second video preview, allowing you to review footage even before the alerts were triggered. The design itself is user-friendly, making battery removal for charging a breeze. And don't forget about the 1080p cam that brings motion detection, night vision, triggered alerts, and two-way communication to your doorstep. Want more accuracy in motion detection? Just set up zones. Ring also offers quick replies and automated responses to save you time, as well as Alexa compatibility for integrating the doorbell with your Echo devices. Remember, to save video and really make the most of your doorbell, you'll need the Ring Protect subscription. But for live viewing alone, it's an excellent choice. Moving on to the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. This model is no small upgrade. It's a massive leap, adopting radar sensor technology to offer 3D motion detection. Yes, you heard it right. This model can accurately pinpoint people's locations on your property, providing you a bird's-eye view of their movement near your door. Talk about high-tech security. That's not all. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 also comes with a 1536p HD live video camera, full of vivid color even at night, and offering wide 150-degree views, both horizontally and vertically. With built-in Alexa greetings and two-way communication, knowing who's at the front door has never been easier or more interactive. After all, it's not just about who's at the door, but also about their movements before and after. Next up, the WYZE Video Doorbell Pro. This wireless doorbell is chock full of key features, like a 1440p camera, up to 6 months of battery life, and super easy installation. But here's the kicker. It's one of the few options that come with a separate chime speaker. This allows you to customize your chime from a variety of noises and loudness levels, a feature that is much welcomed and often missing in wireless doorbells. The WYZE Video Doorbell Pro also provides two-way audio, night vision, and motion detection. With a 150° by 150° viewing angle, it leaves nothing out of sight. For additional features, there's the Cam Plus subscription. However, it does offer free 14-day cloud storage, making it one of the best options if you're looking to avoid extra fees. Let's shift our focus to the ARLO Video Doorbell now. Most video doorbells fall short when it comes to providing a comprehensive view of your porch, either missing the ground right in front of your door or cutting off your visitors' faces. But that's not an issue with the ARLO Video Doorbell. It's a unique one. One aspect ratio ensures you get enough viewing space to see packages left on your doorstep and the cheerful faces of anyone ringing your doorbell. When you couple that with an affordable price and a sleek design, the ARLO Video Doorbell proves to be a worthy contender against other options on this list. So if a full view of your porch is high on your list, you might just find a friend in ARLO. Next, we have the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus, one of the newest additions to the Ring family. This doorbell checks just about every box you'd want in a smart doorbell. Not only does it have the usual eye-catching design that Ring products are known for, but it also offers a top-to-bottom resolution of 1536p. The battery is impressive too, lasting around 8 months on a single charge. The Ring smartphone app lets you customize its performance to fit your needs. Plus, it's Alexa compatible, which means you can check a live video feed on your Echo Show, Fire TV, or Fire tablet. And despite all these premium features, it's priced at less than $200, making it a superb choice for anyone who doesn't want to tinker with rewiring their existing doorbell. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the best smart doorbells of 2023, each with their unique offerings to elevate your home security. Don't forget to check the links in the description to explore more about each product. Stay connected, stay safe, and remember, your home is only as smart as your doorbell. Until next time.